please.
Can you see the vehicle?
Hey, you're not supposed to put his hand in here.
Observe with me, people.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Hey, Wagwan. Blessed to each and every one. Dancehall still here again, manners and respect. And blessed respect to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers right through the world, no matter where you are. Big up to my Caribbean people. So, my people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened during some type of a disagreement between a motorist and police. Well, these pieces of videos actually shows more than one law enforcer. And I didn't get any confirmed information as to what exactly might have caused such a disagreement or confrontation between the motorist and the police viewing subscribers. But me hear some words said in these pieces of videos that have me thinking. Anyways, let me present one of these pieces of videos to you, and you can leave a comment or comments and let me know what to think about this type of situation. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where these pieces of videos have been recorded, and viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
How are you going to find my vehicle?
Okay, don't worry.
How are you going to
The wrecker is coming.
And are you giving my ticket or not?
Is your windscreen tinted?
Are you giving my ticket or not?
Is your windscreen tinted?
As far as I know, no. The visor is on.
Okay, well, we'll find out.
Hold on,
We'll
hold on,
impound your
hold on,
vehicle and we will find out.
hold on, no. Because I'm going to drive.
No,
Drive where?
you're not gonna drive.
Are you going to...
Drive where? No, this okay.
No.
It's okay.
You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
I want to
Let's
see
not
you
do that.
drive.
I want my ticket.
I want to see you
I
drive.
want my ticket.
Go ahead. I want to see you drive. We're impounding this vehicle.
Don't worry.
I want to see you drive.
Drive license. Drive away.
And if you hit us,
Hold on, let me present the other piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Here's the other piece of video.
Look, the man fat
what you
pulling
doing?
his
Yo, what you doing?
firearm at us. What he
Switch
fuck?
off the vehicle.
Hello, there's a passenger in
Are you
there,
going to
yeah?
shoot me? Off the vehicle.
There's a passenger in there.
Switch
I
off. I am going to shoot you.
There is a passenger in here. There is a passenger in here.
Are you going to shoot me? Off the vehicle, please.
You going to shoot me?
Switch off.
There is a passenger in here.
May I have my ticket,
Okay.
please?
Switch off.
May I have my ticket, please?
Can you switch off the vehicle,
May I have
please?
my ticket, please?
Can you
May
switch
I-
off the vehicle?
Hey, you're not supposed to put his hand in here. That is an offense. That is an offense.
Officer?
That is an offense.
Officer?
That is an offense.
Officer?
Officer, you're not supposed to put your hand in the people's vehicle.
Officer?
And when you do get out of the vehicle, you will be arrested for that offense.
Officer?
Now.
Did you see what he did?
Mr. Elliot.
Did you see what you did? You tried to knock me.
Elliot,
But wait.
Alright, so I don't want to jump to no conclusion because I didn't get any confirmed information as to what exactly might have caused that type of situation, even though I can assume and have some form of idea. And I'm going to say some words that I think some people might not totally like to hear, and there are persons who might disagree with what I'm about to say. But when it comes down to a situation where police give a request, especially if the police are law enforcers or just a law enforcer, insist, and you see a situation that got to a certain point, my best advice is it's best to just comply. And if you have a complaint to make, you take legal actions and make your complaint the legal way. You understand me? I say? Do not do anything that can get yourself in trouble with the law. Because sometimes, by doing certain things, you might make a matter worse than what it already might have been. But you can leave your comments and let me know what you think. You see, situation set away. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. However, when I look at the situation during subscribers, I think that because of something that at least one motorist had done, resulted in one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit or collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. Viewers, subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. I just want you to look at this situation and you can tell me which motorist who was operating a motor vehicle that I can see in the video might be at fault when it comes down to the situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people. Observe. Alright, so take notice of that motor vehicle that are reverse. That motor vehicle will reverse. So pay attention to that motor vehicle and also pay attention to motor vehicles that I can see on the road passing by. Look now, look at this part right here, people. Right here now. Did you see that? Did you see that? Hold on. Hold on. Now, in my point of view, the subscribers, I say the motorist was operating a motor vehicle that was being driven from an area where other motor vehicles were parked. I think that motorist did something that was risky. I mean, I think that motorist drive the motor vehicle from that area onto the road in a risky way because there were motor vehicles coming from both directions. That was somewhat close to the motor vehicle at the time when the motorist drive the motor vehicle on the road. See? I want you, my viewers, subscribers, to leave a comment or comments and tell me which one of the motorists who was operating a motor vehicle that you can see in the video might have been at fault when it comes down to how one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with another motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. Who you think was wrong? Could it be because of how one motorist pressed the brake on the motor vehicle? Or could it be because of how a motorist drive a motor vehicle from an area where motor vehicles were parked onto the road? Who might be at fault? The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police held on to a person. And the way all the person looked and was moving, it makes me wonder if the person was okay. Yeah, I wonder. You see what I say? But another thing that I've been thinking is the way how police treat the person, viewers, subscribers. You see me? Because a part of the video shows police holding on to at least one part of the person's clothes and dragging the person, and then you can see where at least two persons in uniform did certain things in order to lift the person, and the person had been placed at a certain part of a motor vehicle, which is a police motor vehicle. The video shows some things that happened when police pushed the person, viewers, subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information to determine what might have caused that type of situation. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine why police held on to the person. I didn't even get any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video was recorded. The video that I saw do not have any audio. The video that I saw don't have any audio, viewers, subscribers. So, look at the situation and tell me what I think, viewers, subscribers. One of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video has been posted on social media and so on. See, anyways. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Observe with me. So here's the video right here. The way of the person That's the video right there, my people. That's the video. So, I'm not going to jump to no conclusion. I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police held on to the person, viewing subscribers. The situation might look away, but sometimes I wonder, you know. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.